Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Thursday, December the 17th, 2020, and I want to be updating you on COVID-19 and vaccine rollout. So in Canada, we have 48,006,393 cases in Canada. Alberta has 84,597 cases, 760 deaths. British Columbia has 44,103 cases, 6,692 deaths. Manitoba has 22,047 cases, 537 deaths. New Brunswick has 573 cases, 8 deaths. Newfoundland and Labrador has 367 cases, 4 deaths. Nova Scotia has 1,436 cases, 65 deaths. Ontario has 14,008,967 cases, 4,058 deaths. Prince Edward Island has 90 cases, 0 deaths. Quebec has 17,001,028 cases, 7,635 deaths. Saskatchewan has 12,832 cases, 105 deaths. Northwest Territory has 22 cases, 0 deaths. Nunavut has 259 cases, 0 deaths. And Yukon has 59 cases and 1 death total. So these are the cases that we have across the country. Still, numbers are really high across the country, so people need to do their best by protecting their health and caring about their loved ones, like I talked about so far, right? So I'm going to be reading the Alberta numbers, and then we'll move on. So the latest as today, Alberta expanding rapid testing for COVID-19 to long-term care faculties and rural hospitals, Health Minister Tyler Shandro announced Thursday. COVID-19 now killed more people in Alberta than influenza did over the last 10 years, combined 760 people since March. Dr. Dina Hinshaw, Alberta Chief Medical Officer of Health, warned on Wednesday. Hinshaw specifically targeted people aged 20 to 40, reminding them they're vulnerable to the virus. More than 32,000 Albertans in that age group have contracted the virus. Hundreds have been hospitalized and numbers have died. Doctors say they are in day-to-day survival mode as Calgary ICU stretch the surge capacity. On Wednesday, 1,270 new cases were reported. The province has 20,169 active cases and a testing positive rate at 7.3%. There are 749 people in hospital, including 139 in intensive care, and 16 more deaths, 19% of school in the province. 452 schools are on alert or have outbreak with 1,964 cases. There are 982 active cases and 3,682 recovered cases at long-term care faculties. Hinshaw will give an update on the pandemic in the province Thursday at 3:30 p.m. The province said earlier in the week that it would send COVID-19 care team to 11 worst-hit communities, 9 in Edmonton and 2 in Calgary, all in northeast Calgary, east of Deerfoot Trail. Their Deliver Care package provide information in multiple language and arrange on-the-ground support and safe transportation to COVID-19 assessment faculties. The province has set up 16 self-isolation hotels that will provide a free stay and food for 14 days, 6 in Calgary and 9 in Edmonton and 1 in Peace River. The Calgary hotels have capacity for 791 people, and in Edmonton, hotels can accommodate more than 1,300. Premier Jason Kenney said on Tuesday those who self-isolate at the hotels will also be eligible for temporary financial aid in the amount of $6.25 at the end of the stay. The province received 3,900 doses of Pfizer Sputnik vaccine on Monday and expects to get another 25,350 doses at the start of next week, officials say. What you need to know, Alberta today. The province expanding rapid testing for COVID-19 to long-term care faculties and rural hospitals. Alberta Health Minister Tyler Shandro announced Thursday rapid test kits will first be developed to long-term care faculties and designated support.